in a reflection of India's growth and influence under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. A Cyprus lawmaker, Mikela Krithioti Mahalapa, touched Prime Minister Narendra Modi's feet when he arrived at the historic center of Nicosia. As part of his visit to Cyprus, PM Modi was being welcomed in the historic center of Nicosia, the old walled part of Cyprus capital, where in a gesture of respect, Mahalapa, a member of the Council of Nicosia, bent to touch Modi's feet. The Prime Minister, who is known for generally dissuading such gestures, especially from women, was seen folding his hands and offering blessings in return. Significantly, Cyprus President Nikos Christodoulis also conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi the country's honor, the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III, at the Presidential Palace in Nicosia. And this is not the first time that a personality has touched the feet of Prime Minister Modi. Not very long back, on June 2023, American singer Mary Milbin touched Prime Minister Narendra Modi's feet and sought his blessing after singing India's national anthem in Washington, DC. A prominent African-American Hollywood actress and singer, Mary Milbin is highly popular in India for her singing of the national anthem Jan Gan Man and Om Jai Jagdish Hare. In another such incident, on May 2023, as PM Modi arrived in Papua New Guinea for talks with Pacific leaders, he was greeted at the airport by his counterpart James Marape, who in a surprise move touched his feet. Christian by faith, 52-year-old Marape is younger than Prime Minister Modi, probably the reason why he touched the Indian PM's feet. Two other members of the Marape cabinet who were in a queue also touched PM Modi's feet as he approached them. Here it is also noteworthy that as per military protocol, Papua New Guinea doesn't give a ceremonial welcome to any leader coming after sunset, but a special exception was made for Prime Minister Modi and a ceremonial welcome was accorded to him. This is the respect Prime Minister Modi commands across the globe. Here in India, there are some politicians who know nothing except Modi hate. But PM Modi certainly stands tall, and every Indian knows this very well.